Hello, my dear children. I know exactly what you're looking for. That one AI video generator that's free and lets you create almost unlimited AI videos and doesn't run out of credits after just a few generations. But here's the problem. Most AI video generators give you only a few free credits. You create 2 or 3 videos, the credits are gone, and you're back to searching for another free tool. And this never ends. That's why Grandpa has done all the hard work for you.
Today, Grandpa has brought you 5 AI video generators to create almost unlimited AI videos for free.
So stay with Grandpa until the very end, because the last AI video generator is already on your phone, and almost no one knows it exists. So without wasting any more time, let's head over to the computer screen. The first AI tool is Vibes.ai. To use this AI tool, first you need to create a project. Then select Start and End Frame. Then click Start Frame. And then you need to upload the photo you want to animate and create a video. And then click Upload. Once the image is uploaded, select the image and click Add to Video. Then enter Video Animate Prompt and click Generate button. And now your AI animated video is ready. And here are 4 sample videos created by AI for free. The results are decent and for a free tool, quite good. But don't go anywhere, my children. The next AI tool is far better than this tool. The second AI tool is Qwen AI. To use this AI tool, first select the latest model and click the plus button to upload the image you want to animate and generate the AI video. Once image is uploaded, enter your animate prompt. Now click the plus button again and make sure to select Create Video. And now click the Generate button. And there you go, your AI video is ready. And now let's check the quality of this video. That's great. For a completely free tool, the video quality is seriously impressive and top-notch. But wait, my dear children, the next AI tool is even more amazing. The third AI tool is Google Vids. To use this AI tool, first you need to sign into Vids using your Google account. You may see a banner with a lot of AI features and asking you to upgrade. Just close it. Now on the right, click AI Video, and at the bottom click Animate. Now click Add Image to select the image you want to animate and create the AI video. Now on Video Model, you'll see options like VO 3.1 and Omni, but I'll use free option. And now put your animation prompt and click Generate button. And now your AI video is ready. And honestly, the quality is quite impressive. The only downside is that the free version gives you 720p downloads. But don't worry, my dear children, the next AI tool won't disappoint you. It lets you create free and unlimited videos using some of the world's best AI video models. The fourth AI tool is AI Arena. First click Generate Videos and click Add Files to select the image you want to animate, and enter your animate prompt and click the Generate button. And now there are 2 AI models generating a video for you. And there you have it, your AI videos are ready. Now let's check the quality of both videos one by one. The video is amazing, but there's one problem. That AI Arena watermark appears at the end. But don't worry, you can easily cut the last part to remove the watermark from the generated videos. Now, my dear children, the next AI tool is already on your phone, and you cannot miss this tool for unlimited free video generation. The fifth AI tool is YouTube Shorts. You heard it correctly. There is an hidden AI tool provided by YouTube to create unlimited Shorts video for free, and no one knows it. For this, go to the plus icon at the bottom, and on the top right, click the AI icon. And now click Create Video. And now click Add Image. Then select the image you want to animate, and now paste the animate prompt and click the Generate button. And there you go, your free AI video is ready. To download this video, go to the right and click More, and then click Save to Device. If you enjoyed this video, my dear children, give it a like and subscribe to your grandpa. I'll be back with more amazing AI videos for you.